children. Today we start 4th standard EVS chapter 8 Food and Health, the part 1 video. So chapter 8 Food and Health. What is this food? What is health? Do you know, children? Yeah, food. Every day we eat food, right? We eat every day different types of food. What types of food? Sometimes someone likes eating dosas, someone likes rice, someone has sweets. So we eat different types of food in our daily life. So why we eat a food? Why we eat a food? Yeah, we eat a food to get energy, right? If we get energy to our body, we eat a different types of a food, right? So which give us energy? So which give energy to our body? We eat a food. So why we eat a food, children? Which gives energy to our body. So we eat food, right? So which type of the food which give us energy? All kind of a food give us energy? No. Some types of food which give only energy to our body. Okay. Now study what type of food which gives us energy to our body. Such food is called as a nutrients. Nutrients. The food which gives us energy to our body, such food called as a nutrients. So what are the nutrients means? Nutrients means the component of a small component of a food particles. It means small component of food. Okay, the component of food is called nutrients. So now, what are the nutrients will be there? So first I will tell carbohydrate. Which one? Carbohydrate, right? So carbohydrate. Then second one is protein. Which one? Protein. Have you heard this word, right? Protein. Next, third one, lipid or fat. Which one? Lipid or fat. Next, mineral salt. Which one? Mineral salt. Next, last one is vitamins. Last one is vitamins. So these are the components of the food, or these are nutrients. So next study, each type of the nutrients, how can help in our body. How this food these nutrients are helping our body. Okay, children? Yeah. First one is a carbohydrate. What happened when we eat a carbohydrate containing food? We can't eat a directly carbohydrate in our body, right? So we eat some food which give us a carbohydrate to our body. So we eat some rice materials, wheat, etc. So which give us carbohydrate to our body. So what they do? They give energy. So they give energy to our body. Right. Next one is second one is a protein. Which one? Protein. So what is the function of protein? How we get protein? So here we studied carbohydrate which give us energy to our body. From which example I will tell as a ragi, rice, etc. So when we eat ragi or rice, it gives energy to our body. Next one is a protein. What happens when protein contained food we eat? If we eat any protein contained food, which I give example cow beans, milk, carrot, etc. So these are some types of vegetables will be there. Some milk, cow beans. So these kind of the food we eat in our body, they produce which one? Protein. What we do? They will help the growth of the body. So when we eat protein content food, our growth rates will be increased. Right? Next, lipid or fat. Third nutrient is the lipid or fat. So similarly, carbohydrate, it also gives us energy to our body. So this also help to energy to our body. Example, which one? Coconut oil, ghee, etc. So when we eat coconut oil food or ghee contained food, so that ghee or coconut oil produce lipid or fat. It helps to increase the energy in our body. Have you understood, children? Yes. Next, fourth one is a mineral salt. Then these mineral salt and vitamins, these fourth and fifth, mineral salt and vitamins, it helps the body structure and the protection of our health. So vitamins and mineral salt will help to body structure. So we have a particular shape, particular hand, fingers shape, then protection of health. So it fight against the diseases. They give a protection when diseases enters to our body. So which way? Mineral salt and vitamins. These are contained in the examples are vegetables. What are these? Vegetables. Okay. So these are the nutrients. What are? Carbohydrate, protein, lipid or fat, minerals, vitamins. So next study. The vitamins has a different types of vitamin will be there. Which type? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, etc. So next we study some particular type of vitamin contained in food items. What are the uses and what disease will be occur if we didn't eat such type of a vitamin. Okay. So first one is a vitamin A. Which one? Vitamin A. So where we occur food items is vitamin A is present in green vegetables, fruits, carrot, egg. So vitamin A where we occur? It occurs in green vegetables, fruits, carrot and egg. So we always eat food of vitamin A. Why? What are the uses of if we eat? What happens if we eat such type of a food? So it helps to preserve our eyesight. So we didn't get any eye problem. Kannu kadadavilla. So we should eat which vitamin A contained food. So what happened if we didn't eat? If we didn't eat such type of a food, there will occur a night blindness. Which this is night blindness. That means ratri kanne kanudilla. So we needed lights. Night blindness is one of the major diseases occur in our life. Next, vitamin B. Next one is second one is a vitamin B. So vitamin B is also one type of vitamin D in their sun rays. Okay, so we play that evening or early morning. So that this vitamin D, it helps to protect our bones and teeth. What may do? Help our protect our bones and teeth. Right? What happened otherwise? So diseases like rickets will know. Which disease? Rickets. Rickets means it's a one type of the disease. Like whole bones are paining, whole bones can't move one place to another place. So vitamin D is a very important nutrients in our body. So these type vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. These four type vitamins, then these are nutrients. So how we eat? So one day full we eat green vegetables, second day we will eat wheat, third day we will eat orange. That way? No. So there is a particular proportion will be there. How much we eat this food, how much we eat this food, right? So such proportion we call as a balanced diet. Balance. How to balance all nutrients in our body? So if we eat excess, it may occur some disease. If we eat in deficiency of that vitamins, there will be occur also disease. So there will need a balance. How we balance? We balance food which provides all the nutrients to our body in a required proportion. That means the food which provide all nutrients. So we eat sambar, we eat rice, right? So rice have a carbohydrate. In sambar we have add some vegetables, carrot, beans, then oils, then grains. So these each vegetables, grains, it also offers some nutrients, right? So food which provide all the nutrients to our body in a required proportion, particular proportions. So particular and more. So such proportion we call as a balanced diet. Balanced diet. See, example like water. In our body, we should have a 75% of water. So carbohydrate is one of the nutrients, right children? So it may be in 14%. Next, what has happened? So balanced diet we have. Next, we should learn different animals eat different food, right? So different animals will be there. All animals are eat same food, children? No, right? Someone like meat, someone like vegetables, someone has a grass, right? So tigers, lions eat meat. Then human beings, both vegetables and also meat. Then cow eat grass, right? So different animals eat different food. Next, don't eat any food which are uncovered in a shop. Why? Your parents is told when you go to market, you see some sweets or any fast food etc. So when they are open, don't eat any food which are uncovered. Why? Why they say? Because when food is uncovered, imagine this is a food, the plate. So food is uncovered. Some mosquitoes or bites. So this is the mosquitoes. They are sit on this food. So what they do? They eat all the nutrients which are present in this food. So what may do? The excess waste, the waste materials, they place in this food. So waste materials which are there, they are placed in food. So when we eat such food which are placed by mosquitoes or any bites, so they create some food poisons or some diseases like cholera. What is this disease? Cholera. In last class we studied, right? So dry waters, waste waters, so which give from the waste water if we use in our life, the cholera diseases will be occur. Similarly, if you use waste this class about food and health. Food means different kinds of food will be there, nutrients, then types of nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, lipid, mineral, vitamins, then what are the types of vitamins A, B, C, D, then where will be present in food items, next uses, then disease. Next let's study then what are the balanced diet, then what are the which animals we which animals eat different types of the food, what are the types of food, then what is the cholera disease and how we occur. So have you understood? Yeah, if you have any doubt